I just found a new channel, and it's absolutely incredible. Why do I say incredible? Because in just a few days, it exploded to millions of views. Yes, almost every video went viral. The creator gained thousands of subscribers and started earning real money in a very short time. But here's the real question. Why did this channel go viral so fast? The answer is simple: new content style. They didn't copy others. They didn't follow the crowd. They introduced something fresh, and that's exactly what the algorithm loves. On YouTube, new ideas spread fast. If your content feels different, people stop scrolling. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone wants to go viral, but we don't have money. That's true for most people, but today, I discovered something powerful. A brand new AI tool that lets you create unlimited videos for free. No expensive setup, no team, no skills required, just your idea and execution. This changes everything. Because now, the only difference between you and viral creators is action. If you stay consistent and use the right strategy, you can build a viral channel from zero. So the real question is, are you going to watch others go viral, or are you going to become the next one? Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write, or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing more value like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result. Fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly aligned with the type of viral video we saw at the beginning. This exact style of content is getting massive views right now. But here's the truth most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good images. You won't get high-quality videos. And your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that blows up overnight. So instead of wasting time guessing, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, improve your content, and follow the trend. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy, going viral is not luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral videos today. Now it's time to create the images. For the first step, I use PicLumen AI. Why? Because it creates unbelievable 3D style images with very high quality. The best part is, it gives daily credits, which are enough to generate around 20 images per day. So I simply pasted the prompt. And as you can see, the overall image quality is really impressive. The lighting, the colors, the cinematic feel, everything looks great. But there's one small issue. The characters are not always generated consistently. Because of certain restrictions, it can't recreate characters that look similar to famous players, even in a stylized way. But don't worry, I found a solution. Now let's move to Flow AI. As I told you before, the Nano Banana feature is completely free. No credits needed, no cost at all, so you don't have to worry about limits. Just click on Nano Banana, paste your prompts one by one, and let it generate the images. And honestly, the results are amazing. Some images might not be perfect, but a lot of them turn out incredibly good. You'll start getting consistent characters, better expressions, and more control over the style. And remember, this is completely free, so you can experiment as much as you want, try different prompts, improve your results, and pick only the best images for your videos. This is exactly how you level up your content. Because better visuals, choose higher retention, and higher retention earns more chances to go viral. So keep testing, keep improving, and don't settle for average results. Trust me, once you get a few perfect images, your videos will start looking next level. Now let's move to the next step. We're going to use a website called Google Vids. I'll provide the link in the description. This website is honestly amazing. It's not just for creating videos. You can also use it for social content, educational work, online presentations, book reading, and much more. And the best part, it's completely free. No credits, no payments, no hidden costs. All you have to do is log in using your Google account. Just click on the sign in button, log in with your Google ID, and you're ready to go. Now here's how to create your video. Go to the right side and select Veo 3. Then click on Animated Images. After that, copy the prompt we used earlier and paste it into the prompt box. Now upload or select your image and click on Generate. That's it. The best part is the speed. From my experience, it usually takes less than 1 minute to generate the video, and the results? Honestly, you need to see it yourself. The quality, the motion, the lighting, everything looks incredibly impressive.
What? What?
It feels like a premium tool, even though it's completely free. Now I tested it again, and again, and every time, the result was amazing. No credits used, no limits stopping me. Just copy the prompt, paste it, drag your image, and hit generate. Super simple. Sometimes you might get a small error, but don't worry, that's normal. If it happens, just refresh the page. Or switch your account and try again. It will start working perfectly again. And here's what really surprised me. The video follows your prompt and image style very accurately. That means better control, better storytelling, and more professional looking content. I was honestly shocked when I saw the results. For a free tool, the quality is next level, so I tried one more time, just to test its limits. And again, the result was incredible. At this point, you have everything. A powerful prompt, free image generation, and now free AI video creation, so there's no excuse left. Start creating. Stay consistent, and your viral video could be just one upload away.